In today's video, I am going to show you how to shorten a Google Drive link using Tinyurl. If you have ever tried to share a file from Google Drive, you know those links can get long, messy, and difficult to place in emails, posts, or descriptions. Using a link shortener not only makes sharing easier, but also keeps everything looking clean and professional. So let's walk through the full process step by step. First, open Google Drive and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once you are inside your Drive, locate the file you want to share. This could be a document, a picture, a video, or anything stored in your account. When you find it, click on it once to highlight it. Now, right-click on the file and choose the Share option from the menu that appears. A window will pop up showing the current sharing settings. By default, many files are set to restricted, which means only added people can open the link. Since we want anyone with the link to be able to view the file, click the restricted dropdown and change it to anyone with the link. This step is very important. If you skip it, your shortened link will not work for people who do not have permission. Once the sharing setting is updated, click the copy link button that copies the long Google Drive link to your clipboard. Now it is time to shorten it. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Tinyurl. When you land on the Tinyurl homepage, you will see a simple text box that asks for a URL. Paste your long drive link right into that box. If you want to make your link even more personalized, Tinyurl gives you the option to create a custom alias. This means you can type a small word or phrase that replaces the random characters normally added to shortened links. Just keep in mind that the alias must be unique, so if someone already used it, Tinyurl will ask you to pick a different one. Once your link is ready, click the Shorten URL button. After a moment, Tinyurl will generate a brand new, much shorter link for you. Copy this new link and use it anywhere you need. It is clean, simple, and perfect for sharing in messages, descriptions, emails, or any place where a long link would look cluttered. And just like that, you have successfully shortened a Google Drive link using Tinyurl. It is quick, easy, and can make your shared content look a lot more organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more videos for simple tips that improve your digital workflow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.